Winter roads is not just about clear paths, it's about ensuring every journey is safe. For those who maintain our winter roads, every decision counts. Winter Road Insights by NIRA Dynamics empowers road authorities with precise, real-time data to combat winter's unpredictability. Our live network status and high-confidence alerts enable proactive measures, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring efficient use of resources. From deploying salt trucks to directing snowplows, our system ensures timely responses to rapidly changing road conditions. Through key performance indicators and historical data, maintenance effectiveness is not just measured, but mastered, ensuring resourceful and timely responses. Detailed follow-ups validate the quality of actions taken, aligning with contracted commitments and maintaining the highest standards of road safety. The result? Safer roads, informed planning, and a community confident in its winter travel. Embrace the winter season with assurance. Winter Road Insights, guiding a safer journey.